Salesforce Admin? What's that? Innovator? Builder? Trailblazer? Yes, yes, and yes. Salesforce admins solve business problems by customizing the Salesforce Platform. Don't have a complete view of your customers? An awesome admin can solve that. Manual processes moving like molasses? Yeah, they can solve that. Don't understand your data? They can solve that too. Bada bing! Awesome admins get the job done. How, you ask? With their awesome skill set, that's how. Business skills, technical skills, in-demand skills like problem solving, user management, process automation, change management, business analysis, data management, and more. And when this awesome force blends its skills with powerful Salesforce tools like Flow Builder, AI, or analytics, it's the perfect equation for success. Delivering business value by supporting users, managing data, maintaining security, and delivering actionable analytics. But they don't do it alone. There's a community fueling these superheroes, awesome admin trailblazers all around the world who want to help each other succeed in their careers. Age, background, and experience doesn't matter. Anyone can become an awesome admin as long as they're willing to learn. And with that learner's mindset, admins have a bright future in tech. No limits to what they can achieve. So whether you are an admin, want to be an admin, want to hire an admin, what's stopping you from doing it? Nothing. Awesome, admin!